This looks amazing! Alright, we've got our spoons! Let's dig in! Yes! So good! I love cake! Oh my gosh! Something's happening! Time for gold versus silver challenge! Oh, it's starting off good. Look at this silver cupcake! I just know it's gonna be delicious. Yep, I was right! Silver food tastes so good! Oh my gosh! There's something inside! Whoa, what is that? Looks like silver slime! Fun! Open yours now! Oh my… wow! A golden macaron cake! This might be the best day of my life! I wonder if I could eat this entire cake myself. Guess I could try and find out. I can tell this cake is gonna be great just by cutting it. Gotta make sure I get a whole macaron with my piece. Oh my god! It's filled with gold balls! I think this cake is the best thing that ever existed. I don't even need silverware to eat this. Wow! That cake is amazing! Ah, delicious! Oh, there's something in the middle of mine too. I think it's a gold coin. There's a bunch of gold coins! And this giant gold ball. Silver slime is so much fun to play with! Yikes! Oh no, my ball! Shoot, I better go get it. The slime definitely opened my pores. Wow! So bright! Hey, I can see better now! Come with me! I need to borrow your bright glow. Do you see my ball under there? Yes! There it is! I got it! Thanks for the help! Alright, next challenge! Ooh, pretty! A gold bar. I'll open it. Yay! Golden chocolate! It tastes so good! Hey! Look at my mouth! It turned my teeth gold! It's like I got free grills! That's right! Living it up! Welcome to my mansion of gold! Wow, okay. I think I'll open mine now. Ooh, silver jewelry! I needed a watch, so this is perfect. Wait, she got gold teeth when eating her gold treat. Let's see what happens to me. Whoa! I'm here now too! With real silver jewelry! I've always wanted to live this lifestyle! Being rich is awesome! Gold and silver is where it's at! Whoa! Looks like we're back. Hey! I gotta keep my style! I'll go first this time. Wow! Look at this silver drink! I cannot wait to try it! Here I go! Ah! Tasty and thirst-quenching! You've got a whipped cream mustache! Oh, I do! Well, watch this. What do you think about this whipped cream mustache? Wow! Impressive and fancy! I'll try another one. Haha! A full whipped cream beard! Whoa! That's so much whipped cream! Okay, let's see what I've got. Ooh, golden eyeballs. I do love gummies. So, how is it? Pretty good. And I've got another one. Ooh, look out! Gummy eyeball is watching you! You're being such a weirdo right now. Ha! Just kidding! Down the hatch it goes! Just as good as the first one. This was a fun one! Wow! Silver spaghetti! It's very pretty. I hope it tastes good too. Into my mouth it goes. And it does taste good! Oh! You know what every good pasta needs? Some fresh cheese! Silver cheese! Here you go, miss. Did I tell you to stop? Oh, sorry about that. Here's some more. Ooh! I hope I have pasta too! Pizza! Just as good! That is some golden cheese! So delicious! Ahem! Are you kidding me? Okay, here's more cheese. Excuse me, can I have some cheese too? Sure thing. I'm so tired. I have golden cheese for you. Yes! More cheese on pizza is always a good idea. Look at that mound! Yummy! Bye! Thank you so much! Ooh! Looks like it's time for some dessert. Silver strawberries served with dip! I've never eaten a silver berry before. I'm gonna get these nice and coated. I can tell they're gonna be good. Oh! Silver sprinkles will make it even better! I love these little round sprinkles. They're so pretty. Looks like they're ready to eat. So scrumptious! Oh wow! It turned into a romantic snack! A candle, roses, and even champagne! How sweet! It's so pretty! I wonder who I could share this with. A flower for you, my cheesy princess. Huh. Looks like she's deep in imagination land. Hello? You coming out at all? Guess not. Might as well see what I've got. Huh. A golden onion. Unexpected, but I guess I can try it. Ew! That was a mistake! This isn't romantic at all. Just oniony. I want to smooch your delicious silver lips. Ew! What's that smell? Aw! Your onion breath ruined my fantasy! Sorry? Would you take a bite out of an onion? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!